Okay, now I started recording again. And let's create a new project. What was the topic here? Check phone number. Okay, that's what we say. Check phone. قلنا ما يحبش هذا. Okay, here it is, and here I will create a new class. Check phone number with a main. Okay, here it is. Now it's empty. Let's look again at the problem. So the problem says, no, we want to write a program that prompts the user to enter his Saudi phone number as a string. The phone number format must be +9665. This is a mobile. All mobiles in Saudi Arabia, they start with the country code اللي هو +966 and 5 for the mobile. Then I want this format to be يعني DDD minus DDD DD minus triple D, يعني digits. They should all be digits, okay? Where D is a digit. Your program should check whether the input is valid. Before checking, it should remove any spaces at the beginning and end of the string. There are many conditions to check, as I explained here. Okay, we enter your phone number, then this is a valid or this is not valid if it is not the same. Like you see, 2 digits, 3 plus 3 is not correct. And we want them 3, 2, 3. Okay, how I'm going to do this? First, we want to read from the user string. Okay, we need the scanner. Okay, we have a scanner. We want the import. Now it's done. We want a string. We call it phone number, and that's it. Now we will invite the user to enter his phone number. All these should be automatic on your side. قول له هنا please enter your Saudi phone number. And I want to give an information about the format. I will send هنا please respect use this format. And the format, I have it here. Is a digit. Fine. Okay. And now we want to read input phone number. We want to read from the user. That's input dot next. We don't tolerate spaces, so it should be one word. Okay. Now here we have read the phone number. What should we do? We have several operations, several indications. It says that before checking, remove any spaces at the beginning and end of the string. That's the first element. So to do this, and I added this, okay, as an indication for you. So we can use phone number equal phone number dot trim. Okay, so this will check phone number, remove spaces before and after the first character, and replace it. So now we have spaces at the beginning and end.
معلش ايش تي ار هذه؟
trim هذه if شوف ما هو you have to review command slides. Okay, this is explained in the slides, and it is doing exactly this. What you see here, it removed the space characters. إذا اليوزر بدأ قبل يطلع دخل رقم وعمل space وبعدين كتب زائد 966. Okay, we will remove those spaces.
طيب ايش الفائده نسوي ريموف
راح اوريك الفائده. راح اوريك الان الفائده، لانه انا I want to check the format. مظبوط. اسمح لي شويه، عندي تليفون خليني اخده. I will pause. مش عارف how to pause. Okay, pause recording. بسم الله. So we said I want to check this format. Okay, I have many aspects to check. First aspect, I want to make sure انه the user entered at least those characters at the beginning. Those numbers are known. قلنا I remove the spaces لأنه if I want to check if the number starts with plus 9665, if there is some spaces, it will tell me that's not true. لأنه the first space is not plus. The first character is not plus. It is a space. That's why I'm using a trim to remove any spaces. Then I can check those characters. Okay. Now those characters, to check them, في عندنا one instruction. I don't know if you check that, but في عندنا something called prefix. وين راحت prefix? Okay, مش the find does not work هنا. It should be somewhere. Char at length. Where is prefix? Equals starts with. Okay. احنا وقفنا الى هنا صح؟ هذا علامه اللي قلنا بالنسبه للاكزام. We'll stop here. So what does this tells us? Starts with. It returns true if the string starts with the specified prefix. But all that I have to do, okay, is to test if this number, this is one of my tests. I say if phone num dot starts with what? With another string. وهذا السترينج هو هاخده من هنا كل هذا. Okay, if it starts with prefix, I can print something. Maybe we no need. I will just use one quick print. Maybe
دكتور الحين دوت ستارت وذ هذا يشيك وش السنتنس وش او السترينج،
يشيك انه هذا اللي انت حطيته هو المقدمه تبع السترينج فون نمبر. اوكي.
حلو. طيب ممكن تحط one quotation مو double quotation؟
لا, you cannot use one quotation. You can use one quotation if you have one character only. As you have many characters, this is a string.
حلو، يعني الكاركترز نستخدم one quotation صح؟
إذا yeah, if you're using only one character, and we will see it right now. Okay. And in fact, I don't want to test if this is correct. It's preferable not to say this is a Saudi number. I will say only if phone number starts with returns false. Okay. I can say this is a wrong number.
كيف equal false؟
So we had start with. It will return true or false. It will check if this value, if this string is in the beginning of the phone number string اللي دخل اليوزر. إذا كان صحيح هترجع true، وإذا كان مو صحيح هترجع false.
فأنت حطيت إنه as a false خلاص system dot out print
إذا كانت false خلاص البرنامج اليوزر ما دخل الرقم صحيح، هنقول له هذا الرقم غلط. Okay, and we can stop immediately if we want. Okay. So I will not stop. I will just make an else. عندي هذا القوس زايد ما لزوم الآن. I will say هنا else. I will do some other checks. Okay, what can we check else? We check that the beginning. Now what we want to make sure that he's using the right format, right? شو قلنا phone number must have 16 characters. Okay, هذا can even this was the first test to do maybe, that if there are 16 characters after the trim, we can say هنا if after the trim, لأنه trim will remove the spaces, قول if phone number dot length is different from 16, so the guy did not enter the proper number. That's it. This is straightforward. غلط في حرف نقص حرف. Okay, وهنا حنقول else I will use this one وبعدين نسوي good indentation. So first condition, إذا كان number is not 16, this is not a correct number. سلام. Else, now we check if it starts with this, it does not start with this is not a correct number, right? ايش بعد؟
الشرطات اللي جوا الأرقام.
الشرطات اللي جوا الارقام. نعم. I can do this other test. انا ايش كتبت هون؟ phone number has 3 dashes, right? You have to locate in the specific position. So I know the specific position of those dashes. So I can immediately say if what is the position of this dash هذا 0 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth position. أقول phone number dot char at 5. صح ولا لا؟ 0 1 2 3 4 5. char is different from dash. وهذا استخدام one character, because char at it will return only one character and we compare it with one character. تمام؟ إذا كان هذا مو صحيح or أي واحد من دولي مو صحيح، أي سواء position 5 or 6 7 8 9. So position 9 same. Or the last one is at position 10 11 12. Position 12. إذا كان أي واحد من هذولي مو equal dash, we can say this is a wrong number. Else, what to do? Last thing, the phone number has digits in specific positions. We want to check now that those positions are digits. مظبوط؟ And I know that this position, now if I pass this test, I know that 5, 9, and 12 are digits. Okay, we can say here a for loop int I equal what? Where do we start from? Should we start from, we may start from here. ما في داعي نبدأ من first position. تمام؟ هنا عندي 0 1 2 3 4 5 و this is position 6. So I start from 6 and I is less than phone number dot length. We'll go till the end. Last one, I plus plus. In this for loop, we will check that the characters are digits. Okay, and we've seen and about chars. When is chars? The character class عندنا method اسمها is digits with the character to returns true. صح? Now, so we can say if and we will see this is not correct في الأول. هتشوفوا there is a problem, but let's go with this. char at I. okay, وهذا هنقول هنا character dot is digit. We check that this character position I is digits. Okay, we will continue. Okay, so is digit equal false؟ إذا قال لي it's not a digit, I will immediately print ايش ناقصني هنا is digit. yes, أنا لازم أغلق هذا القوس. خلاص character is digit. We check the character at I. If it is not a digit, we will print this is a wrong number. Okay, and maybe do a break if we want. Okay, maybe I will just break loop. No need to continue. But this is not completely correct, as you can know. Maybe did you? We will start checking from here, right? If we reach this character, we know this is not a digit, so we don't want to check it. And this one, we know it is a dash, so we will check only if the I is not equal 9 and not equal 12. احنا قلنا انه position 9 is a dash and position 12 is a dash. So we can check only in case the I is different from, right? Another way to do is to skip the loop in case if I equal 9 or I equal 12. continue. انتبهتوا لها الكونتينيو هاي وانتم تذاكروا؟
اي دكتور تطلع من اللوب.
لا كونتينيو ما تطلع،
ترجع
البريك تطلع
يعني
من اللوب.
لو 9 ما تطبقها وتروح لل10.
ايوه فتطلع الى اعلى. كونتينيو هذه اذا كان اي 9 نرجع على اعلى اللوب، ما نكمل باقي اللوب وانما نرجع الى اعلى، بس we don't break the loop. Same when it's 12, we will not do this code. We just go up, okay, and continue the loop. Clear for everybody?
Clear دكتور.
Okay, so this is a way of solving this problem. This is not necessarily the only way or the easiest way, okay, لأنه عندنا some other tools to check inside the string and so on, but we don't want to use them. We'll just simple, straightforward things to do. Starts with معانا char at معانا, where this one for a for loop again to avoid checking 9. ممكن واحد من الطلاب يجي يقول لا أنا I will check from 6 7 8 لوحدها, I will check 10 11 لوحدهم, و I will check 13 14 15 لوحدهم. that's fine. ما يسوي one for loop زي ما أنا سويت هنا. Okay, that would be fine. Can we check this one now? Let's run. No Saudi number, let's say plus 9665, must have the dash. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3 we said, okay معلش, 56 dash 789 enter. Okay, no errors. ولا مرة قال this is not a correct number لأنه ما حطيناش when it is correct what to do. Okay. Another thing we can do إذا مش عايزين نخلي هذا البرنت هنا وهذا البرنت مرة ثانية وهذا البرنت مرة ثالثة and print مرة رابعة هنا. okay, ممكن نعمل boolean نقول correct number equal true for the beginning. okay, and if we detect some condition that is not proper, حنشيل العبارة هذه تحت، هذه حنشيلها من هنا وهنقول correct number equal false. خلاص we declared انه it is not a correct number. Okay, and what we will do, we will test something هنا at the end. Then the same, this correct number equal false. If we enter the same here, it is equal false. Same here, equal false. And same here, equal false. When we reach the end, we will check if correct number نكتب كده صحيح، واذا كتبنا equal true ترى بعد صحيح، لانه اذا كتبت انت بس سوري، اذا كتبنا correct number without equal true, it means equal true. It will be tested equal to true, or else الحالة هذه راح نطبع this is a correct number، وهذه راح تطبع this is wrong number, depending on the value of this boolean. We can remove this without any problem. If we remove this part, this remains true. This if will be true only if correct number equals true. Okay, let's again try and enter another number, plus 9665 dash. This is wrong number, not the proper structure. لأنه دور على الداش هذه ما لقيها في هذا المكان. اوكي، فبالتالي إذا we can leave for many reasons. Oh, sorry. This is wrong number. Okay. Plus 9665 هنا. And this is a correct number. Okay, I think this solves the problem. Do you have
Sure.
Yes.
بس على الكوريكت نمبر اند رونج نمبر كيف we did it at the end if and if.
كيف we did at the end؟
يعني انزل تحت اخر شيء.
ايوه.
عندك if correct number بعدين else it's wrong number، كيف حطيتها في if and else؟
مش عارف شو قصدك الحقيقة.
يعني انا اقصد انه كيف عرفت متى هو بيقول لك wrong number or correct number؟
انا اقول لك، انا حط هذه البوليان فاليو هذه انا حطيتها في الاول as true. correct number هذه حطيتها as true. And I will run the program. If I find a condition that is not correct, I will change its value to false.
Okay.
سواء مع because number of characters is not 16 or because the
واللي ما يبدا without dashes وزي كذا.
او اذا ما فيش داش في كل مكان فيه يصير فيه خطا، احتمال خطا، اقول خلاص this is not a correct number.
اوكي تمام. بعدين
نفس الشيء هنا. في الاخر اجي اشوف اذا مشيت كل التست والكوريكت نمبر فاليو ما تغيرت، اوكي، معناها يعني بعدها ترو، خلاص this is a correct number، معناها كل التست اللي سويتهم فوق سليمين، مرينا بيهم بسلام.
ايه ده واضح.
Okay, or else I will say it is wrong. Okay, I will stop recording this one